everyone, in this video we want to tell you about sedimentation process. So enjoy this video. Sedimentation is a process of settling or being deposited as a sediment. We can describe it as the tendency of particle in a suspension to settle out of the liquid.
Next is function of sedimentation. Sedimentation serves to separate solid and liquid from suspension to produce clear water and thicker slurry concentration through gravity deposition. The use of sedimentation in industry is: first, water or wastewater treatment plants; second, various chemical industry; and third, oil and gas industry. There are two methods of sedimentation. Is first, gravity, and second, centrifugation. Of the two methods, which have more profit value is centrifugation, because first, faster time, and second, able to settle particles which gravity can.
To better understand what sedimentation is, let's look at an example of sedimentation. For this example, the ingredients used are flour and sandy soil. First step, add soil and flour to each measuring cup. Second step, after that, add water. The third step, stirring simultaneously and leave the measuring at the same time.
5 minutes later.
And then, after that, can be observed the process that is happening. In this process, particles from the flour and soil will settle to the bottom of the measuring cup. But what will be resolved faster is land, because soil has particle whose density is greater than the flour. But eventually, the water will become clear again.
2,000 years later.
of sedimentation along with example and the sedimentation process. There is an equation used to calculate the flow velocity to remove the particles in the centrifugal tubular. In the centrifugation process, there is a centrifugal force, which is the force away from the center of rotation particle, which can be calculated by formula.
All that can be concluded that first, sedimentation process is the process of settling particle process contained in a liquid by the force of gravity. Second, settling speed is dependent of particle size, radiation density, and straying speed. Third, the most advantage the sedimentation process is sedimentation using centrifuge because it can speed up deposit time.